It's all about snow. It's the next day, and we got another snowstorm coming. We'll see what we get now. The panels are covered. No more solar. We'll see what comes. Wow. Wow. I had to come out and do this. This is the biggest I have seen in this property to date. It's also a funny one.
Use your own resources.
Look at the hair on that guy. Oops. Look at the hair on that guy.
That's a long nose.
You guys are funny.
That is so cute.
That face. It really looks happy. He really looks happy. With that hair, I wouldn't be happy, but he is. You guys did good. Yeah.
Thanks, Michelle. Snowman.
What is she doing?
She's kissing it.
Gonna get her frozen lips, Michelle. Your lips are gonna fall off. I guess she likes it. So there's the final guy. Oh, the one ear's sort of flattened.
Huh?
He's got one ear bigger than the other. Yeah. Now he's got a scarf. Well, by the way, Melanie and Michelle did a full video on Melanie's channel. Oh, no. Anyway, you can check that out. And I think I'm going to combine her links to her videos on my Patreon. So you guys can check that out too if you want to see all of our videos in one place from now on. We'll do that for you. The girls asked me to get a shot together. There they are with their friend. Hey guys, working on an exciting couple videos for y'all. With I'm standing here for a reason. My last video was about solar panels. My next one is going to be about batteries, series and parallel batteries, battery types, how to wire batteries, whether you should go 12, 24, 48 volts, pros and cons of each, and basically everything batteries, okay? I'm really taking my time though. It's taking longer than I had planned to do this because I want to do a really good job on this one. And the next one is going to be about solar charge controllers. And I might have to invest some money in that video, so it's going to take a little bit longer because I'm actually going to buy a fake Pt3 solar charge controller to show you fake next to a real next to a PWM, explain the differences and the pros and cons and how to wire them. And so I've got a whole series lined up about solar power, and then a video after that is going to be how to size the solar power system for your needs, what you need to put together to have the proper solar power system. Now, I'm going to have an article along with each video and diagrams and drawings, so it's taken longer than I thought, but I'm working on it. I want you to know I'm working on it. Got a box in the mail. Just arrived today. If this is what I think it is, yes, this is exciting. This goes hand in hand with home security with our dog. This is XSense home security kit. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work with this and try it out. They said between sender and receiver you have up to 1.25 miles range. Can you imagine that? So having this, we'll be able to use our wooded lot once more. It hasn't been safe out there for me. If you don't know why, great for you. But it hasn't been safe to be out there in the past couple years. and let alone putting something out there. With this, we're going to be able to use our entire property again. I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to open it in a minute and look it over. I'm going to be reviewing this and hardcore field testing it. I've already got some exciting ideas on how we're going to try this out. This means we're going to be able to use the entire property in safety and security. That is awesome. If this turns out as they say, I'm probably going to get rid of all my other... I've got many different alarms. That's a cobbled up mix of different alarm systems. And if this is anything they say, I'm going to buy a complete system to go with this and have one alarm. I will have backups and extras, but wow, like it feels like I've had a lot of alarm systems in my hands, and this is definitely something different. It feels rugged. USB charging port, very interesting. Base station, 5 volts. Very nice looking. So that's our base station. I cannot wait to try this out. So I've got to look and see what we got. Single CR123A battery. And I've got to see what we got here. Oh, there's a magnetic alarm. Good. I need a bunch of them. Have them on every window and door in the whole property. Look at that. That's a nice, you can see, look at how nice it looks. It's, I mean, they even printed, it seems to be very, very nicely made. Nice looking and nicely made. So that's a window and door alarm. Somewhere I'm going to find the handbook, and I'm definitely going to put this out on the gate. I'm absolutely going to put that out. I'm a believer in letting people know ahead of time. I'd rather not have them try to come in through my defenses. I'd rather let them know to stay away. So here we have, I'm guessing, a USB charging cable with a long wire so you can leave it plugged in. And another remote control. There is the remote control. Okay, and a bunch of mounting stickers. Looks to be, I can't tell if that's Velcro, I bet it is. And your batteries and some mounting hardware. Very good stuff. I will absolutely be testing and reviewing this in the coming days and weeks. And I will let you know, guys, this looks to be one of the best systems I've had my hands on so far. I love the feel of it. I mean, the quality just from first glance. So that's going to be a motion sensor, and I'm liking the looks of it. I'm going to be checking out the accessories. I'll put the link down in the description in the comments below. My first impression, honestly, is it just really looks good. Well built. And stay tuned for the final review coming soon.